Guys, gagawa tayo ng orange juice first. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dabs Cooking 81. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Guys, may dalawa tayong orange. Gagawa tayo ng orange juice. Yan. Yan. Ayan guys, dalawang orange lang pero ang dami. Ang daming laman. Nakabukod na yung pulp niya. Ayan. Fresh na fresh. Yan. Bali, dalawang piraso lang ito pero ang dami ng butos. Ang nagawa. Fresh na juice. Fresh na fresh. Ang ating fresh juice. Hindi na natin isama yung pulp guys. Yan. Yan. Sakto. Sa dalawang piraso. Yan guys ang ating orange juice. Wow! Fresh orange juice. Thank you for watching Dabs Cooking. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you guys. Bye.